everyone, this is Yosh Boy. Here about to put on my finger grips to my Glock 27. First step is you get your alcohol pad and you wipe your gun down. So the finger after it's wiped down, you're just gonna let it dry. Try not to touch it after you wipe it down. After you notice that it's dry, start with the first finger grips at the top. You gently place it down first, but don't fully pierce it, because then you're gonna push the middle in, because that's where your finger is gonna be. Then you're gonna wrap it around on both sides. Yes. Then you're gonna get your next one. Peel it right on up. I'm gonna slowly place it on the last finger strip. Next step is to move on to the back strip. Just slowly peel that back strip up. We'll slowly place that to the back. You're gonna want that top part to be sitting on the back right here at the bottom of your gun. You're gonna smooth it out right at there you go, you see? You wanna wipe it down right there. Use your finger and push down, because you want the center just to be as firmly pressed down as much as the sides is. And you could go side to side. So now you got your finger grips on and your back strip on. Just wanted to double check on that back. Now you can move on to your sides. You're gonna start off with your right side. And we're gonna just gently rotate the gun. I'm gonna place it right here. There's an indicator right here. So that's how we're gonna place the strips. I just want to slowly press it down. Make sure you're feeling out your gun. Making sure it's fully on it. See that it's getting on there perfectly. You can move on to the next side. Slowly peel it off. It gives it a sign just so it doesn't block your Glock sign, so it's perfect. Helps you have some indication of where to place your sticker. you're gonna be put in a position to make sure that you're angling it right, because you don't want to block your Glock sign. If the square is exactly on the Glock sign, I personally believe that is the best measurement of accurately putting this on. Then I'm gonna feel it through and push it all the way down. All right. All right, everybody, so let me show you. I just successfully put on my grips for my Glock 27. This is the tutorial. If you have any questions, please ask. I could give you the information on where I got it. This is Yosh Boy. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.